Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to check if your Samsung phone has a Snapdragon or an Exynos processor. Now to do that, just open the Play Store app on your smartphone. Now in the search bar, just search this. Now just install this app on your smartphone. Now it will take a few seconds to download this app on your smartphone. And once the app is fully downloaded, just tap on open. Now at the top of the screen, just swipe to the left side and select CPU. And on this page, you can check if your Samsung phone has a Snapdragon or an Exynos processor. In our case, our smartphone has an Exynos processor. And this is how you can check if your Samsung phone has a Snapdragon or an Exynos processor. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.